Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
It can go to so many different things: plastics, fuels, anything that is petrochemically derived, it could easily integrate into. For example, like the lighter fluid you would use in Zippo lighters or gasoline. The economics and the environmental impacts look better when you target
Jesus! You got a fucking stop sign!
This close to hit me. This close to hit me. You were this close to hitting me, bro.
What, bro?
You were this close to hitting me.
Yeah.
When you swerved.
You got to put how I go.
All right, just be careful.
We're not gonna make it, are we?
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment to let us know how we're doing. We welcome your feedback. Have a great day.